Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take apart the Infinix ZERO 30. This phone features a leather back cover which looks and feels great. After checking out the design, let's look at the phone's model information. Alright, it's time to get to work. We'll heat the back cover at 80 degrees to loosen the adhesive. For this leather back cover, carefully insert the blade vertically to avoid damaging the material. Use a pry tool to slide around and separate the back cover. Place a protective sticker on the back camera. Next, unscrew the screws on the motherboard cover and remove it. Disconnect the battery flex cable and the main flex cable. Remove the back camera module. Unscrew the screws securing the speaker assembly. Then disconnect the white coaxial cables from the motherboard and subboard. Disconnect the black coaxial cable and remove the speaker assembly. Go back to the top, lift one corner of the motherboard and slowly remove it, being mindful of adhesive on the edges. Remove the front camera. Remove the earpiece speaker. Next, disconnect the display flex cable. Unscrew the screws securing the charging port board. Remove the SIM tray. Then take out the charging port board. Remove the underscreen fingerprint sensor. Remove the vibrator. Apply a small amount of alcohol along the battery edges to soften the adhesive. Then lift the battery from one side. Remove the main flex cable. Remove the power button and volume button. Finally, let's remove the screen. Heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Use alcohol and a card to separate the screen from the middle frame. And that's it for the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G Teardown. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.